Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest project. Let's talk about the new Telegram mini application. Even that exchange is coming soon in the future. Even the pre-sale is coming soon. Even private sale, IEO, everything is coming soon. Inside this video, I will show you how to start with this application. Even I will show you about the website, for the roadmap, the technomics, what things we can find inside this Telegram mini application. This Telegram mini application is a new application in this crypto market recently launched in here. So big things are coming in the future. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about personal project, mining project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So welcome to Algorix. This is a new Telegram mining application. This is the website you can see. Although you can find about the innovation, about the features of this project, although what things you can find inside the ecosystem, and then about the technomics and the roadmap. Okay, so if we scroll down, this is the algorithms. You can see advanced AI or integration, even unique features and tools, and then comprehensive trading solution. This is what we can find in here. Even about the features, there are different features inside this project. Hybrid AI or platform, data privacy and ghost mode trading, and then we have strategy bank, we have risk management, we have continuous learning and adaptation, easy trade tool, community and governance, a LOR token and economic model. The token of this project is LOR. LOR token is coming soon. Even the pre-sale is coming soon. The public, private sale, even the IEO is coming soon. Although after the token launch, the developers are going to launch its own exchange. I can say this project will have its own exchange in here. Okay, now further, you can see about the innovation. This is all the innovation of this project. And then let me show you the ecosystem, empowering financial independence, engagement and governance, further robust security measures and legal adherence, and then big things, allow token utility and user incentives. Although you can find some other things in here, but I'm just reviewing this website because I don't want to waste your time in here. Although you can check the website yourself. The point is to check the Telegram mini application, how to start with the mini application, how to start with the Telegram application. This is the main thing. But in here, I'm just giving you a short review of the website, like what things you can find in here. So this is the token allocation. Like for the public, for the pre-sale, it's about 50%, 15%, and then about the ecosystem development, the market listing, the core team, cashback reward. Even if you invite your friends, you will get 10% cashback reward. Okay, this is the roadmap. The development and launch, token development, platform, prototype, and then we have marketing and platform expansion, which is about the private sale, and the pre-sale is coming in Q3 and Q4. I can say at the end of this year, we will see the pre-sale of this project, even the private sale. So public sale and IEO is coming. And then we have about global expansion and innovation. We have about dedicated blockchain development. They are going to develop their own blockchain where we will see their own exchange in here. You can use the exchange in order to buy and sell, same like other exchanges. Okay, now the thing is, let's to start with the Telegram mini application. How to start with the Telegram mini application? What things you need to complete before starting with this Telegram mini app? So let's jump to mobile phone. So this is the LOR Telegram mini application. Simply the link is below description. Click on the link and then click on start, and then you will see this thing about get started with one click. And then we have official channel, we have LR community, LR website, how to create a trust wallet, how to add LR token to your trust wallet, LR campaign, LR token contract address. You can find this thing in here. Even you can add the token inside the trust wallet because it's available. Okay, now click get started with one click. But in here, one thing I should tell you, you have to choose the plot, whether you want to go with $100. Somehow I can say you need to purchase the token before starting the application. You need to purchase the token, like $100 you will get 1475 LR tokens. With 200 you will get near to 3000. With 300, 500, 1000. This is like you're investing the token and you don't need to worry about the token because we will see the pre-sale. We will see the pre-sale of this token. And then we will see the exchange listing in the future, I can say next year in the starting of 2025. So you don't need to worry about that. So let's go with first one and then continue. So in here you need to paste your wallet address and it should be the Polygon network. Polygon network TRC20. USDT TRC20, the Polygon network. You have to paste your wallet address in here. So once you paste your wallet address and then you have to select the blockchain like the Polygon USDT, although you can go with ERC20, BIP20, TRC20, but I recommend you the Polygon. And then now click on submit. So this is the wallet address. You have to transfer $100 in this wallet address and then you can start with this application. Okay, now let's transfer $100 in here. Simply, you can go to your exchange, whether Binance, KuCoin, OKX. This is your wallet address. Copy this and then simply transfer the $100 to this wallet address. So finally, guys, you can see in here the payment just completed. Now, if you click and go to home, this is like if you purchase in here, you will get the token. But one thing I should tell you, make sure to add the token inside the Trust wallet. Make sure to add the token inside the Trust wallet so that you should get the token. In here, you can see. So you can buy Elor from here if you want to purchase more and then forward referral. This is your referral link. Just share it with everyone if they join this project, if they just invest in here. So you will get 10% cash back in USDT. So this is like I can say this Telegram mini application is all about to purchase the token before the pre-sale, before the private sale, before the exchange listing. You know, in here you can purchase the token and then make sure to add it inside the Trust wallet. If you don't know how to add it, simply watch this video. Here you can see even this is the token contract address. Make sure to copy the contract address, go to your Trust wallet, add this token inside your Trust wallet so that you should get the LR token inside your Trust wallet. So this is all about the LR Telegram mini application. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So if you have anything about this project, let me know in the comment section. So this is all about the new Telegram mini application. Exchange is coming soon. Pre-sale, even the private sale is coming soon. So smash the like button to know what time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. This video is end up in here till the next video. Goodbye. See you.